Do you think you really know the animal kingdom? From the ocean's giants to the tiniest crawlers, these 15 fun quiz questions will put your brain to the test. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button to support us and subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next challenge. Ready? Let's start the wild quiz now. Which mammal sleeps the most hours per day? Koalas sleep 18 to 22 hours a day. If sleeping were a career, koalas would already be CEOs. Which flightless bird is the fastest runner? Ostriches can sprint at approximately 70 kilometers per hour. They don't need wings. Their legs are basically turbo engines. Which animal has the largest heart in absolute size? A blue whale's heart weighs about 180 kilograms, roughly the size of a small car engine. Imagine trying to do CPR on that. Which vertebrate has the longest lifespan? Greenland sharks live 250 to 400 years. Some alive today may have been born before Mozart. Timeless indeed. Which living animal has the strongest bite force? Saltwater crocodiles bite with 3,700 plus psi. If it bites, don't bother negotiating. Just send prayers.